Thunderstorm Watch number 163, effective until 10 p.m. This watch includes the following counties in North Carolina: Alamance, Chatham, Durham, Franklin, Harnett, Johnson, Lee, Moore, Orange, Randolph, and Wake. Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including large hail and damaging winds in and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA weather, radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. Service in Raleigh has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southern Alamance County, southwestern Orange County, north central Lee County, northeastern Chatham County, southwestern Durham County, until 5:15 p.m. At 4:37 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located 11 miles south of Graham, moving southeast at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gust. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Durham, Chapel Hill, Graham, Pittsboro, Carborough, Swepsonville, Crosswinds Boating Center, Seal Camp, Crosswinds Campground, and Sutphin. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 5:15 p.m. for the following counties in North Carolina: Alamance, Chatham, Durham, Lee, and Orange. At 3:51 p.m. at the Raleigh-Durham Airport. The National Weather Service in Raleigh has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Harnett County, southwestern Wake County, northeastern Chatham County, southwestern Durham County, until 6 p.m. At 5:14 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located 7 miles south of Carborough, or 8 miles northeast of Pittsboro, moving southeast at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected.